Hey everyone, choosing the right colors can completely change the feel of your design. By finding the perfect palette takes time. That's where Chroma AI comes in. This smart tool learns your cool color preferences and instantly generates unique custom color palettes tailored just for you. Today we are diving into how Chroma AI makes color selection effortlessly and creative. So this is the URL chroma.co. When you type this or enter this into your web address, you will reach to this website. This is the interface of this website. It's very simple and easy to understand. Okay, so let's click on this generate button first, and here you can select, you can choose 50 colors. Okay, let's choose 50 colors of your choice. I'm just doing it randomly so I can show you how this Chroma AI work for creating custom color palettes of your own choice, which will help you in creating amazing design in just few seconds. You can create color palettes for your text effects, or you can say for your poster designs or for your images designs, etc. All of this in just in one tool you are going to get. Okay, so I have just selected all, and now I will click on start training. Okay, and now it will start analyzing the colors that I have just selected, and then it will create different color palette template for like poster design, for the design in which I'm going to use typography like this. Okay, so let's wait for few seconds more. So finally we have got our results here. You can see you can get color palettes according to your typing. Okay, if you are doing for the poster, you can also get, you can see different color palette for the text with the colors as well. You can look for the posters as well. You can use this color for your poster, and you can also increase the percentage of the colors. Two colors like first half and the second half, you can change the percentage like this. Okay, and it will generate more results. All right, and then you can also look for the gradients using these color palettes, and you can also select colors for your images. You can see these results, and you can also get the color palettes. Okay, let's click on this, and then it will start generating the color palettes. Okay, so it will just take a few seconds more, and it will generate the color palettes of your own choice, and then you can change this color bias as well, and then you will get more different and more accurate results. So that was all about Chroma AI, how you can use it to create custom color palettes of your own choice. So I'm going to close this video because that's all about Chroma AI, how you can use it to create your custom color palettes. I will catch you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.